Question 17. The histogram shows information about the times taken by some students to finish a puzzle. So we've got frequency density down the side because this is a histogram. So it's not just a bar chart, never a bar chart. Complete the frequency table for this information, time taken and the frequency. So what we know is that the area of the bars on a histogram is going to be equal to the frequency. So we just make sure that we're correct here. 0 to 5, so we've got 5 here and it goes up to 0.8, and 5 times 0.8 will give us 4, so there's no multipliers here, so that's fine. So the next one, we've got 5 to 15, so we've got 10 and the height is 0.4, so we've got 10 times 0.4, which is going to be 4. The next bar goes from 15 to 25, so the width of that is 10. The height is 0.6. 10 lots of 0.6 is 6. The next one, the width is only 5, but the height is 1, so it's just 5 times 1, which will be 5. And then finally 30 to 50, and then up to 0.2, so we've got 20 times 0.2, which will give us a height of 4, an area of 4. So those are our frequencies. Now part B, find an estimate for the lower quartile of the times taken to finish the puzzle. So let's find out how many people there are in total. So we've got 4, 4, 6, 5 and 4. So we've got 4, add 4, add 6, add 5, add 4. And that is going to give us 23 people. Now continuous data, so we don't need to add 1. So to find the lower quartile, we're going to divide by 4, and that's going to tell us that we are looking for the 5.75th person and where they're going to be. So first of all, we've got to find out what group they're in. Now the first group, 0 to 5, is the first 4 people. So the 5.75th person must be in here because person 5, 6, 7 and 8 are going to be lying in this group. So we know that it's going to be in the group between 5 and 15. So what we've done is we've had 4 up to the group, so 5.75 take away the 4 tells us we need to go 1.75 people into that group. So what we need to do is we need to say when the area is 1.75, whereabouts on the axis here does it fall? So if we want the area of the bar to be 1.75, we can see that the height is 0.4. So we're saying that 0.4 times the width of the bar is going to be 1.75. So therefore the width of the bar, 1.75 over 4, and then that is going to tell, not 4, 0.4. And that is going to be 4.375. So that tells me that I need to go along 4.375 to find my person. So I'm going to do 5 add 4.375, which will give us an answer of 9.375 minutes.